CapCut PC offers amazing text animation features to make your videos more dynamic, and here is a simple step-by-step guide to adding text animation in CapCut. So let's get started. First of all, launch the CapCut and import the video into the timeline. Then you can click on the text tab. Then simply tap on the add text and type your text down. Now you can tap on the default text at the right hand side panel and type down anything according to your preferences. Customize the text by changing font, color, size and outline. You can simply type down anything. So I'm typing down the little life for my editing. Then you can also tap on the bold option available there and bold your text. Once done so, you can also change the color. After that, you can tap on the text option available there and edit the text versions. So there you can scroll down and look for any text according to your preferences to make it look more appealing. Once you confirm the style, simply tap on the animation option available at the top. Inside animation, you can choose any according to your preferences: fade or typewriter or fade out, zoom out, wavy, bounce. Just adjust the animation duration for a smoother effect. And once done, so you can simply export the video. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.